Henry Bendoff, Lab 6, Computer Programming, Random Numbers and Beeps. And here we got our program set up. Our random number is popping up on the screen, and our light value or light resistor reading is 120, 121, somewhere around that their range. Here we basically got the white LED right here blinking according to the random number. And as you can see right here, we about to come up. There's 3 times right there. There's 3 times there. The light blinks 3 times. The light connected to the optosensor blink 3 times, and the buzzer go off 3 times, all according to the random number that pops up on the screen that determines the amount of time the light blinks and the buzzer beeps. And in my setup here, I got my sensor is on pin analog 0, and I got a constant int as my on pin 2 for the LED, for the white LED, and my buzzer is on pin 4. And I got the random coin right there set as along, and a light value of 0 and a light limitation of 255. That light limitation is basically gonna limit the amount of light the resistor have on it. Well, that's the highest that I have the limitation set for. And over here in my little setup program, I have the speed going to the monitor, send a message from the computer or from the microcontroller to the computer at 9600 baud. My sensor is set at an input, and my LED is set as output. And I should have put my buzzer there, but I think I need to put it there sooner or later. Here we go here. Here's my light value right here. Is analog read the sensor. My light value map. I mapped it at 0 to 600 because of the light in this particular room is around 1 something. And here my serial print is going to print the light value is, and whatever that value is, 2, 3, or 4. And they're basically the same, but it's actually going to put a number here instead of light value. Here we go right here. My random coin is 1 through 4. This right here is just basically going to give me a number between 1 and 3. It doesn't count the last integer. Then I got my serial print saying what the number is, and the random coin is going to actually present the number. And here I use switch statements, switch functions in my to execute the program. I got case 1 blink, and that's going to blink according to the number that pops up on the screen. And we're going to break from that sequence, and then we're going to go to case 2, and we're going to blink 2 times, and we're going to break from that case, and then we're going to go to case 3. In case 3, we're going to blink 1, 2, 3 times, and then we're going to break. And here we're going through our void blink section, which basically function up here in the case statements. Limitation light 195. The counter is basically 0, which I did not have because I was having an issue of understanding the instructions. And I was also having issues with my light sensor value as well. But anyway, chugged it on out, and this is what I got. Here's my light value equals the analog read sensor, and what that's going to do is digital write my LED high. It's going to delay 200. That counter in there, disregard because it's not working. And I got an if statement in here, said if the analog read limitation is greater than the limitation, tone the buzzer. The buzzer is going to buzz. Well, buzz is basically my buzzer. And it's going to be at 100 hertz, and it's going to go for 200 milliseconds. And here we got a delay here. well, we got a digital write. It's gonna write the LED low, LED 1 low, which it does, and it's gonna delay for 200 millisecond, and it's gonna blink. Thank you for watching this YouTube clip right here of random lights and blinks. Lab 6, Henry Benoff. Thank you. Bye-bye.